This is a video chart presentation of EnteroMedics, a Nasdaq-listed stock trading our ticker ETRM. It's a pretty solid climb that the stock's had from a base right at $1. Nice pop here in December. Went on to make a new high in January. Really since those highs though, just over top of 260. Chart's having a little bit of a tough time. You can see a lot of red days, and then other days like yesterday where there's a long upper shadow to the candle, where the stock's just having a hard time closing near the high of the day. Be that as it may though, it isn't an uptrend. We want to keep this on watch to see if it's going to break through this 260 mark, make the next leg up to a new high, or conversely, if the weakness is going to accelerate and the stock price possibly break back down through these moving averages, maybe even come back down and test a support around $1.80. You can see the MACD certainly has retraced, just holding right around zero. That's going to be a key point for it that we'll be watching. As you can see across the course of this 7 months, MACD really hasn't wanted to break below zero, indicating the trend is trying to stay bullish. So we'll look for that point to continue to hold. If we do see the MACD fall back down through zero, that should certainly raise some technical concerns about the strength of this chart. Slow Stow has been on a nice upward path in February, holding over top of 50, indicating there's bullish momentum in the chart. But of course, that does go right along with the idea that stock price has been climbing this month. Similarly, so is the money flow index, holding up near 80, indicating people are paying higher prices for the stock over average prices. So both the Slow Stow and the MFI are in bullish positions at this point. And that's why I look at this right now kind of as a little bit of a make or break point, because given the bullish positions of those indicators, I think the chart's going to need to take out that top in the near future. Going along with that, relative strength index, uptrending, holding the upper half of the indicator near 60, indicating that the bulls are in charge of momentum. So on the surface, it's looking pretty good for the ETRM chart. What I'm going to look for from a support point is right through this 220 area. That's the old highs from back in December when the stock made the nice move. It was trying to hold as a little bit of support here in January. Also happens to be the location of the 50 and 20-day moving averages. And with the stock closing at 241 on Thursday, that maintains a pretty close stop loss. And I think that there'll also be some additional support that'll come in around $2. But I would suspect that this stock starts to fall, it may come right down here to $1.80 and test those lows from over the last few months. Now obviously that's a pretty stark drop from closing at 241. So that's why the upper level of support will be important to pay attention to. Now to the north side, which is obviously the more fun side, I'm going to watch to see if these recent highs, that's actually $2.66, can be taken out or not. It's a key level. It's a new 52-week high if that happens. It supports the bullish trend the chart's been in for several months. And it'll be the breakout point that technical traders will be looking for. Volume is certainly not an issue in this play. 2.7 million shares traded on Thursday. Looks like that's a little bit of an uptick in volume, but probably right around the 3-month average for the chart. Point being, liquidity is not a concern. There's plenty of trading activity. Stock is trading on the upper half of the Bollinger Bands. Again, just going along with everything looking bullish in the month of February, but I think it's worth paying attention to this chart right now to see if it's going to muster the strength and blow out that top. So those are the type of things that I'll be looking for in the ETRM chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor, licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.